Hi everyone, welcome to this class where we are going to go through three bonus useful commands. First one will be the df command, which is used to display information about the available disk space, the total space available in your system. The ping, which is used to test network connectivity, and then the history command, which shows the previous commands that you use. We are going to go through each one of them, do some examples as well. Um, and I think they are very useful and handy commands, so they're really good to know. Okay, let's get started with the disk-free command. So the disk-free command, df command, displays information available in your disk space and also shows you the total space available. And it's very straightforward. I'm going to open the web terminal open, and currently I am in this folder. So what I will do, I'll go to the desktop. I am in desktop, and if I want to find out the space available on all file systems, I just type df and then enter, and then it shows me. It gives me all of these numbers, and this shows me the space available, space that is being used in all of the available systems. Okay, let's make this smaller. Oops, no. Okay, give me just a second. I'll make this smaller. As you can see, plenty of numbers. And then let's say I just want to find out space available or space that is being used in a specific system. So for example, in this folder, in this directory called database, so I'll just cd into that directory, and then I type df dot, which means in the current directory, show me the space available and space that has been used. And as you can see, then it shows me. It displays the space available and space that has been used. So it's a very useful command, df command, yes, if you want to find out space available or space that has been used in your file system. And the next command that we are going to learn about is the ping command, which is used to test network connectivity. And it determines whether remote IP destination is active or inactive. And it also is used to find the round trip delay in communicating with the destination and checks whether there is a packet lost or not. And then it gives you plenty of information. You can read all of the documentation in the course material to understand more about the different data and what does it mean. Okay, fantastic. What I'm going to do, I'm going to clear the screen first, and I'm going to already test network connectivity with the ping command, and I'm going to ping. This can be any website. In this case, I'm going to choose our website adamandwatch.com. So I type ping and then space adamandwatch.com and then enter, and then it starts testing the network connectivity. And it keeps going on and on until when you stop it. In order to stop it, you key in Control C. Control C stops it, and then it gives you all of this information. I'm going to make this bigger. There, as you can see, it tells us the number of packets transmitted and received. So there was 0 packet loss, and then it also gives the ICMP. You can read more about ICMP in the documentation and the packets as well. So it's a very useful command to test the network connectivity. Great. And now the third and last but not least command we are going to go through is the history command. It is a very useful command because it shows you the commands you have used before. So let's say you use a command and you forgot about it, how to use it. Using the history command is a very handy way, very quick and efficient way to see all of the commands you have used and usually it keeps up to 1000 commands you've used in past, so it's very useful. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to clear my terminal, and then so I just want to list now all of the commands that I've been used. So just type history, as simple as that, and then enter, and as you can see it gives me a list of all of the commands I've used. And then let's say if I want to use this command again, for that there's a shortcut, so I type exclamation mark and then command number. In this case command number, as you can see, I want to use the pwd command 1096, and then enter, and then he runs that command. This is a very useful way to see the commands I've used in past. And let's say if I want to filter some commands, for that I can use the grep. So I type history and then this sign and then grep, and now I want to filter the I just want the command to return me the find commands, and then enter, and okay, I misspelled history. Sorry there, we had an error because I misspelled history. And if I press enter, it should return only the find commands. Great. So let's say instead of grep, I did by mistake type grp. Press enter, it went to return anything. And there is this shortcut which is very useful. If you use the caret sign is usually above number 6. So I enter caret and then grp, then the mistake that I made, then I enter another caret sign, and then I type what I want to correct. In this case, because I forgot the E, I type grep again, and then I press enter, and now it should list all of the find commands, so it corrects the error. Great, fantastic. And let's say if I just want to run the previous command, I just type exclamation mark twice and then enter, and then it will run the previous command, last command, which I did run. Fantastic, yes. So I just wanted for us to go through these last 3 bonus commands. They are very useful and handy. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this course. It was a pleasure teaching you this course. I don't know, the command line can seem boring and tedious and a bit challenging, but it's very handy, especially if you are working with operating systems. Thank you. I will see you in next class where we are going to conclude this course. Bye bye.